Good morning, beautiful peeps. Hope everyone's doing well. Looks like I have a squirrel or chipmunk having dinner parties in the garden bed. Took some beets and radish seeds with other evidence. Back in early January, I moved the oregano from the other herb garden area to the first garden I call. It's coming back, so that was a good decision. I plan to plant some more right around here, have a whole section. Over here I have the lemon balm, still in a pallet bed. It's coming in, but it'll definitely take off. So I might move that section right here, just not right now, but that is definitely in the future. I had another little pallet bed here. You could tell some of the garlic got messed up, but that's what's left. Also back in January, asparagus wasn't doing so well last year, so more research. I didn't have it in a good location, so we dug about a foot or two down, put rabbit pellets, leaves, and soil that was all up under the rabbit hutch. Real nice organic matter fertilizer, and planted them all here. Different here. I'm gonna have to cut these back. There's garlic too. All kind of different, interesting. So definitely looking forward to the future on the asparagus. Just want to thank y'all, and y'all have a beautiful day. Until next time.